Okay, Mariam, let's talk about love today.
Wow, nice.
Okay, so love article. The thing is, they say love has no language. Is it really true? In today's world, I believe our obsession with English has put a huge strain on love, relationships. Don't you feel that?
Yeah, I do, and I obviously believe that love has no language. But we all have set those standards. Ki, like a partner should look good, a partner should be presentable, handsome, like
True.
talking about girls. तो उसमें से I guess English is one such category जिसमें we all want a partners to be good in. I personally do. Like I want my partner to be well versed with English. And I won't say it's wrong, but you cannot have those unrealistic standards कि overnight आपका partner एकदम शेक्सपियर की
That
तरह इंग्लिश
reminds
बोलने लग
me.
जाए. That's not possible. But
No, no,
yeah, I do
continue,
believe.
please. You were.
Yeah, I do believe कि we all are setting those standards जिसमें English
True,
भी
very
एक priority
true.
list में आने लगा है. Because maybe it's westernization or we are adopting the Western culture,
Do you
and in
think
a way, it's not bad as well.
Shakespeare has got a
What do
lot
you
to do
think?
with it? Because, we consider that English is a romantic language, and just because Shakespeare has written everything in English, I think he's the one who had, introduced us to the idea of love, in which we would talk about love. That hasn't happened before him. He's the one who brought love into our life in a way. So maybe that's the reason. Maybe we can blame Shakespeare for that, for romanticizing English.
Kind of, and इतना दूर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Like we're watching Netflix and all those series right now, or sub. Uh, I don't think so. हम हिंदी सीरीज पे इतना इंटरेस्ट लेते हैं जितना we are interested in
Yeah,
the Hollywood ones. So एक वहाँ से भी this craze is coming कि like saying I love you is more romantic and more sophisticated than
I
saying
know who
मैं
says
तुमसे
that.
प्यार करता हूँ या करती हूँ.
कौन कहता
So
है ये
it's
हाँ
kind of
कौन
too
कहता है
dramatic.
ये I
It's
mean
kind
I
of
would never say
dramatic.
something
Like
like that to someone. That's true. um, so according to you, Netflix has got a lot to do with it. um, the fact that we have a checklist, that has got a lot to do with it. So it's not just English that is putting a strain on our relationship. It is the checklist that we have, right?
yeah, and I don't think so. इसको बहुत ज़्यादा एक प्रेशर के तौर पे लेना चाहिए बिकॉज लाइक सी फॉर एग्जाम्पल you're moving abroad and maybe Spain in that matter. किसी स्पेनिश से प्यार लड़की से प्यार हो गया, so how would you communicate? You cannot learn Spanish overnight. You'll obviously have to communicate in English because English, like, you'll
Yeah,
find
it's
people speaking
true,
English
true. It's widely spoken
all over the
language.
world, so it's
Right.
important as well, huh?
But don't you think that true that English does this? English is the common language. True, I agree with that. But what about India? Like, I go to a gym, Mariam, and I speak English. English is kind of my first language, okay? So I realized that no one, and when I say no one, literally no one talks to me in the gym. And I go to the gym, I come back, and it's not just my gym, it's everywhere. In Punjab, English is a very stressful thing, okay? People do not speak English at all. Hindi, yeah, sure, sometimes, but English is a big no no. So, people actually ignore me. I'm telling you, it's funny, but people avoid me. I am the most ignored person, like, no, around. No one talks to me.
हाँ, इसमें सोनल मुझे लगता है कि they are they kind of feel weird or awkward कि वो आपसे communicate करेंगे and they won't be able to speak well like you do. सो एक वो हिंड्रेंस हो सकता है, लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस हो सकता है, विच मोस्ट ऑफ अस सफ़र विथ, लाइक पंजाबीज फॉर दैट मैटर, दे
Yeah.
सफ़र विथ MTI, और not only
MTI is common
Punjabi, come to the
everywhere. South
like
Indians
north
have a very
side,
strong
up UP
MTI,
आओ, up,
so it's not just North Indians,
yeah,
South
yeah.
Indians too. So, yeah, but again, the same thing that I had said in the beginning, English has put a huge strain on relationships these days. So, no matter how you say it, how polite you try to be, the fact is, it has put that strain. It has affected relationships to a great extent.
Yeah, it has. Like, yeah, I definitely agree. I do have friends जिनके checklist में, if a guy doesn't speak in English, they're not going to date that person. So, for some, like, it depends person to person, not for everyone. I know people जो कि बहुत ओके हैं with a partner speaking in Hindi, but Hindi
Yes.
अच्छे से बोलना चाहिए. So depends on person to person. I personally believe it's not about speaking in English and its relation with uh, the relationship we are having in our lives, but एक importance ये है कि it's kind of necessary to know English अभी present scenario में. So don't combine English
You have
with
just done that in the
relationships.
beginning of
We
this
should keep
whole
that thing
conversation, Mariam.
separate.
You yourself had done that. So now you can't walk away from this. I won't let you.
Uh, yeah, I
Okay, so
personally
this
want
is
my
so
partner
this is
to be
personal
speaking
choice.
good, but एक जनरल सिनेरियो, हाँ, एक जनरल सिनेरियो में अगर मैं लूँ,
Definitely not.
we should not judge a person
So
on their
what
speaking
matters in the
skills.
end, according to me, is the fact that
Exactly.
how well you communicate. Communication is the key. So whether you do it in Hindi, English, Punjabi, Malayalam,
Definitely.
you need to communicate with your partner. That's what matters in the end.
I couldn't agree more. And still, अगर English सीखना है, and if you want to uh, learn how to speak and how to communicate well, there are thousands of platforms, and practiceenglish.online is one such platform I came across. You'll get 20 hours of practice with seasoned coaches for just rupees 2000, and yeah, GST. So yeah, it's perfect platform where you
I'm
can
so
practice
glad that you
without
talked
feeling
about it. I'm
judged.
so glad that you talked
So
about
yeah,
it.
go and try it.
Though I personally believe that love doesn't demand perfection. It's like, no, especially not in like romantic scenarios. You want to say I love you, मुझे तुमसे प्यार है, मैं तुमसे प्यार, मैं तो तेरा प्यार कर रहा है, whatever you want to say. Communication is the key. But if this is something that is holding you back to approach someone important in your life, yeah, there are options, and one such option is the one that Mariam you just talked about. So yeah, don't beat up yourself
Yeah.
over English. But if you are doing it already, and if you want to get a good command over your language, sure, there are options. Go ahead and do it. But again, remember, like they say, love has no language, and it should not have any language, like, any barrier, any such barriers. It should it should be free of any such things.